Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You guys are watching the Psychic Jyoti. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Virgo for November 2021. So watch this video if you're a Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, where I keep on sharing information about law of attraction, manifestation, crystals and all of that, then you can get to my Instagram. The link is in the description. Now let's see messages for Virgo. So messages for Virgo, please. So what's the present energy for Virgo? Give me the present energy for Virgo, please. Four of Cups. Ooh, okay. Some of you might be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Six of Cups. What is happening? I feel Temperance. Exactly. So some of you might be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Sagittarius. Very strongly, I feel need not be. I see that there is like an emotional discontentment which is happening. So it's like somebody is on your mind and there's like a lot of emotional involvement in this connection. Like you and this person, you like date back to a long time. You guys have known each other for some time. This could be like a childhood sweetheart or like a college sweetheart or something, I don't know. Or it's just that you guys are very deeply connected with each other. You've spent some really good times. But now when it comes to expression, you might have tried to express yourself to this person and they are not acting the way you want them to act. Some of you might have also approached this person with communication and they are not giving you the kind of communication that you want. So maybe your message was ignored, your call was ignored, or it's just that you try to confront something to them and they don't pay attention. So your connection has basically gone off the balance and you're trying to balance things. Right now, you're just trying to make things happen between both of you. Or you tried doing that in the recent past. Some of you also becoming very spiritual these days. You can see here in the Temperance how the crown chakra is getting illuminated. So maybe these days you've become very spiritual. You are just doing some spiritual practices. You might be reading tarot or I don't know what it is. But it looks like you're just trying to achieve balance in your life through spirituality or something. All right. What else? You're also trying to find answers, but you're not trying to find answers from outside because you already tried doing that and it was not given to you. Now you're just trying to go within and find answers. Okay, what is going to be Virgo's next action here in this connection? Five of Cups, you're definitely feeling a very deep sense of loss. And what is about the water sign here? Some of you are definitely dealing with a water sign, or this person has very strong water placements in their chart. This feels like a lost battle already. You feel there's no point of waiting for this person or making anything happen because this is like a lost battle. Some of you might have lost a dear one recently, or it's just the loss of the connection, all right? Something about a very deep, despairing feeling is coming in here. Something did not go as per the plan. Though there were very strong emotions, but still it did not go as per the plan. And that is actually giving you a lot of pain. And you have become very pessimistic about the situation. You feel like nothing makes sense in your life. That kind of feeling, you know, a very emotionally feeling very empty inside, that kind of thing. You might be trying to walk away from the situation as well. Ten of Wands, yeah. Some of you feel that you were the giver in the connection, like you were the only one who was doing everything. And as long as you kept doing things, things happened. And then the moment you took back the support that you were giving in, the connection basically came down. So like, who the fuck are you dealing with? This is such a draining energy already. Virgo, this person was not even giving their 2 cents in the connection. They were just completely relying on you to make the moves. You just kept waiting, kept trying, and then they just did not give you what you wanted. You were very deeply connected here is what I keep seeing. Like there was something which you were expecting from this connection, like wholeheartedly. You were just waiting for that thing to happen. You were trying to manifest this new beginning with this person or a beautiful connection, but things just do not go as per the plan. And now it's giving you a lot of pain. And all of this looks like this happened very suddenly. somebody was acting very immature. Some of you, this person was treating you as an option, so they had you and other people in the picture. Fool card is when somebody is not very serious about you. You were very deeply involved and this person was not as deeply involved as you. And you guys were not on the same page. You were trying to get on the same page, but you could not. Some of you were a very mature person. You know, Virgos are very mature people. So I see you were the mature one and this person was just like absolutely immature. What else? For once, like you were trying to get married to a kid. Like what the hell, Virgo? You were just trying to fool yourself the entire time in the connection. You were just having very high hopes from somebody who was not even mature. And you kind of knew that this person is very mature. Some of you, this person was married somewhere else and you got to know about it. Or you just like some sort of, yeah, the Sun card. Some of you got to know that this person has a kid. They're married somewhere. Some of you, you have a kid with this person. That's why it's very difficult for you to move forward alone. And that kind of keeps you stuck. But there's like a lot of disbalance in the energy here. Some of you, something also came to the light. You know, Sun card is basically when the sun shines bright and whatever is hidden comes out. So some of you, maybe something came into the light and now you're totally trying to see whether it is a good idea to stay here or you should move forward. So you're just trying to contemplate what you need to do. You're like, I am passionate about this person, but is it even worth the passion that I'm depicting? Maybe, maybe not. What else? Six of Pentacles. Some of you are trying to balance your money situation. So maybe money could have been a worry recently. It's like there is a love connection that you want to make it work, but it's not happening. So you're just trying to focus elsewhere. You're just trying to distract yourself with other things in life. And you're just trying to take a new direction. And all of this is because you do not want the past hurt to bother you. So it's like there is something from the past which is stemming in a lot of disappointment, but you're just trying to distract yourself from it so that you can move forward. Three of Pentacles. Something regarding your money situation is going to go well. If you're trying to have a new job, try to take help from your friends or family because somebody might just come and cooperate with you and that person can actually help you in your financial situation. So be open to take help from other people. Some of you, I also feel that you're very busy with your work situation, Hierophant. I keep seeing that you were either married to this person or you wanted to get married or this person was already married. Something about marriage is very significant here. And that is the exact thing which is not letting you move forward, Tower card. Some of you, you got to know that this person is married. Or they are getting married. Something about that. You have had your trust shattered completely and now you are at a position where you feel you cannot ever believe anybody. Hermit, yeah, that's exactly you. After all of this, you've just isolated yourself. So recently you've just disconnected from the world. You're trying to quarantine. You're trying to be by yourself. You're just trying to be more spiritual, finding answers within yourself, trying to read more. I don't know what you're doing, but you're just trying to disconnect from the world because you feel you will never be able to trust anybody ever now in life. You think your trust has been lost and now it's never going to come back. Try to take therapy, maybe try to, get professional help because it's like there is a pressure which is building inside of you and you're just trying to cover it with a lid. You know, it's like when you're just trying to not show anybody what you're feeling and what happens is it keeps getting piled up and then one day you burst and that's a toxic thing to happen. So just don't try to isolate yourself from other people. Try to connect with people rather. You know, when you are not feeling well or when you feel alone, that's the exact time when you need to connect with people rather than isolating yourself, all right? There is something which, see, exactly the message, right? Six of Swords and Three of Cups. You need to socialize with people. You need to reconnect with your friends, family, or just take a professional help. Because it's like something is bothering you, something is mentally torturing you, and you're just trying to isolate yourself. And that's going to worsen the situation. So some of you, you need to do that. With the Six of Swords, I see your mental health is going to improve. You are going to get to a position which is going to be very mentally easing, but it's going to take some time, so just bear with yourself, all right? Whatever is troubling you will not trouble you as much. Okay, what else? What's the future energy for Virgo? What's going to be Virgo doing here in this situation with this person? Four of Pentacles. I see you're just going to close off yourself to this person. Even if this person tries to come back, you're not going to be open to them because you feel you've dealt enough with this shit and you don't want to deal with them. And I see there's like a new love opportunity coming towards you, which could be an earth sign or a water sign. You will be having more than one option coming into love for you, but all of this is going to happen when you allow people. You are just being in your hermit mode and you're not talking to anybody. How do you think somebody is going to come and find you? It's like you are practicing detachment, but don't try to be alone completely, all right? Page of Pentacles. I see a new communication, a message coming in. I see somebody's going to be very interested in you and this person is going to approach you. Though their approach is going to be a bit slow, but I see somebody is very determined to be in your life. Could be a fire sign, water sign, earth sign. And you are very determined to work on your finances. Some of you felt that after this, whatever happened in your life, now you want to focus on your money. So it's like you're just trying to divert your attention to becoming financially stable or making more money. Like that has become your agenda these days. So what is this person's energy towards my Virgo now? King of Cups. There is like a water sign that previously ignored, or there could be anybody who ignored your feelings and now this person wants to talk to you. Somebody wants to show to you that they still care for you. Star card. Some of it's an Aquarius. Somebody is coming towards you because they feel that what you could give to them, nobody can do it for them, and they are kind of recognizing that you were the real deal. So yeah, the person who ignored your calls and texts in the past, I see this person will try to come back to you, but you feel this person is full of drama. So even though you have feelings for them, you might just try to ignore them. Some of you, this person is coming towards you because you're becoming famous or because you will become famous in the coming times. What else? Page of Cups. Exactly. There's like a message coming in from somebody who previously ignored your messages and they want to have a new beginning with you. And you will be in confusion because I see by the time this person is back into your life, you will have other options as well. So you will be confused. But if you really want to be in a relationship, I see universe is granting you a very beautiful connection because we have King and Queen of Pentacles both. So somebody who's like an equal match to you is going to appear in your life, but that's going to happen when you open yourself up to love, because right now you're not doing it, right? I also see your financial situation improving significantly, and there's like a wish fulfillment coming into your love, but it's going to happen after a certain delay. So if you do not give up on yourself and if you are open to love, I see love is going to find you. So it's like you are manifesting a new beginning in love and it's going to happen, but the problem is you might ignore it. All right, because you will be not taking a decision at the right time and then you might miss on to an opportunity. So don't do that to yourself. Let's see what your person wants to say to you, Virgo, in November. What is this person's energy towards my Virgo, please? I'm waiting for the day I can make you an offer. Exactly. See, I told you, right? Somebody is just waiting for the day they can make you an offer. Somebody is waiting as to when can they reach out to you. You make me weak in the knees. So this person, somebody is like, they still have feelings for you and you make them weak. We need this time apart from each other. So it's like, though you guys are away from each other right now, you guys are not talking, but this person is trying to utilize this time so that they can make plans of coming towards you, and you make this person go weak, but you feel this person is full of shit. So you can decide if you want them back or not. But somebody is contemplating as to when can they reach out to you. Give me message for Virgo. Attraction. Ooh. Somebody is mesmerized by your beauty, or how you think, and you're just trying to free yourself. Some of you need to free yourself from your own isolation center. So you're just trying to isolate yourself, not talking to anybody. Don't try to be so hard on yourself. Unrequited love. Some of you feel this person coming back at you. You don't have feelings for them, and you want to move towards a new situation. So that's your call. Give me message for Virgo in November. A fiery climax approaches. Have faith in your dreams. Some of you, it's like you have goals or ambitions regarding something very big, but you don't trust your own self. So stop doubting your own self. And I see a fiery climax approaching. So somebody is coming in to talk to you, all right? You think that this is over and it's never gonna happen, but it's like something is still left to be said and done. So yeah, if you think it's over, it's not over. Somebody's coming back for a fiery climax with you. Could be an Aries that you're dealing with. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe. Bye.